sorry, but I'm really disappointed with the 3M quality PPF. Many told me it's one of the best, but then I don't think so. They said even if you remove it after 5 years, it's gonna peel off easily. It's been like half an hour now, and it's only a bit of what I've removed. Let me show you. So see, it's just this patch I just removed. No adhesive, but obviously you need to detail this part, but I mean it's too hard to remove. It's not that easy as they said it would. So I'm really disappointed, but it is what it is. Anyways, I think I'm gonna take it to a shop to get this thing removed. So whoever says PPF, it's good, 5 years warranty, after 5 years it's gonna look like brand new, it's gonna peel off easily, you can remove it in like half an hour, it's all crap. It's nothing like that. PPF, 5 years, there's nothing such as that. 2 years max, 3 years max. Remove it, replace it, but don't keep it for longer. So anyways, I'll probably take it to the shop or something to get this thing removed, because I'm sure it's gonna take a long time for the whole car. So yeah, let's see. Take care, see you, bye. Okay, not bad. Some places it's chipping off hard and some places it's peeling in a good way. This is C1. So this is the back bumper, and this one is coming off a bit easier than other parts. Most of the car is done, the roof's done, this is remaining, the front's done. So now that we are done removing the PPF, it took around 4.5 hours to completely remove the PPF, the whole car, and already done with the detailing, and now it looks like it's brand new. Let me show you guys around. So now that's done.